Hey, you lovely lot, I've got some more advanced vocabulary for you today. It's a big one. All right, guys, there's 6 syllables in this massive noun. Vulnerability. Altogether, vulnerability. Vulnerability, guys. We kind of say it fast. What vulnerability means, it means you're subject to the feeling of being harmed, either emotionally or physically. Also, guys, you can be in the position of being financially vulnerable. So, let me give you some example sentences to help you understand this a little easier. Example 1, the company is under financial vulnerability. Vulnerability. It's a big one. One more example, guys. Those in hospital are subject to the vulnerability of disease. One more time. Vulnerability. Vulnerability. It's a big one. Get practicing that one, lovelies. Be sure to give the video the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and I'll get back to you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.